Hey, PeaRoy, how in the world are you?
How in the world are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty good though. I was working on this truck here and I cut my finger real bad.
That's funny. I cut mine real bad too. Look at that.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
funny. That's real funny. Anyway,
you heard any good jokes?
yeah, I've heard a couple of jokes. You want to hear them?
Uh-huh.
All right. Well, look, you know that these are dad jokes, which means they're what?
Terrible.
That's right. So here's the first one. Why do cows wear bells?
Why do cows wear bells? I don't know.
That's because their horns.
Oh, their horns. No. I should have known that one. Yeah, that's funny. Go ahead, tell me next.
All right. Well, what kind of shoes do frogs wear?
What kind of shoes do frogs wear?
Open-toed sandals.
Open-toed sandals. Yeah.
Well, I told you they were.
Yeah, that's
bad
not
jokes.
But I think it's fun. It's okay. All right. Tell me next.
All right. Well, what happened when two slices of bread went on a date?
What happens when two slices of bread goes on a date?
Oh, it was loaves at first sight.
First sight.
Loaves at first sight, yeah. That's not. What's the most favorite thing that a shark loves to hear?
A shark. Most favorite thing a shark loves to hear.
Man overboard.
Oh, man overboard. Yeah, he gonna eat that thing up, ain't he?
All right. What do you call a sheep that can sing?
Sheep that can
sing. Lady Baba.
Lady Baba.
Yeah, Lady Baba.
Okay, all right.
I think that's pretty good. Hey, I thought it was pretty good. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and tell my long one. One time there was this man and he had a son and he didn't know really what to do because he didn't want his son drinking. Scurrying around, you know, and all. And so he finally figured out, he said, you know what, maybe so he won't drink. He got a worm and he put it in this glass and that glass is full of water. And this one over here was full of whiskey. So he put the worm in that one.
Okay.
Well, he showed it to his son there. He says, what does that tell you, son? He says, well, it says that if I drink whiskey, I ain't gonna have the worms.
I ain't gonna have the worms.
Well,
oh my goodness.
That's pretty good. Now I gotta admit that.
That's pretty good right there.
All right, you go ahead and tell yours.
All right, well, let's see here. You have to hand it to short people because they can't reach it.
Oh, they can't reach it. That's pretty good. All right, give me theirs.
All right, well, there's three types of people. Ones that can count and ones that can't.
Now, wait a minute. That ain't... Oh, that... Okay, all right, I get it.
Okay.
I know that ain't but two. Go ahead, tell me nothing.
All right, what do you call those that have sleepovers?
Doe.
Yeah, those.
Sleepover. I don't know.
They play truth or dare.
Truth or dare.
Truth or dare.
Okay, truth or dare. All right, give me a nut.
Can you tell me why turkeys like androids?
Why does a turkey like androids? I don't know.
Yeah, because they like to Google.
Because he likes to Google. That's pretty good.
That's right.
All right, well, look here. Go ahead and tell me your long joke.
All right, I do that. Well, see, there seems like there was this city slicker, you know. He come from a city out to the country, and he wanted to learn how to be a farmer and all, you know.
City slicker, huh?
He goes to the feed and seed store, and he goes up there to the manager, and he says, I want I want 100
Yeah,
chicks.
he don't know nothing about farming.
The man says, you want 100 chicks? Yes, sir, I want to do it. I want to do it right the first time. He said, but that's a lot of chickens. He said, yeah, it is. That's a lot of chickens.
Wow, that's a lot.
He said, I want to do this thing right now. He said, I want to have a bunch of chickens.
Okay.
He said, well, all right. So he gave him 100 chicks, you know, and the man comes back about 2 weeks later. And he said, I'll have another 100 chicks.
100?
He said,
Okay.
you want another 100 chickens? He said, yeah, man. He said, well, you must be doing mighty fine.
Wow.
He said, well, I don't know. He said, I think I planted them a little bit too close together.
Planted them too close. Oh. Wow, that's just,
yeah, that's
poor
insane.
little chicks.
He
My
planted all them little chicks.
Look here, I'm gonna leave on that now, all right? Bless their little
Hey, look,
heart.
well, look here.
I'll
Okay.
see y'all next
well,
week.
I'll see you later, Mr. Rick. Did you happen to notice that Mr. Rick come here from church? He was all duded up, wasn't he? He wouldn't have mentioned that, though. But look here. I thank y'all so much for coming, and I'll see y'all again next week. Make sure you tune in, and if you want to hear some good dad jokes, you got my email address. Send them to me, all right? I'll even tell them who told me, all right? See you later.